Oh, hey guys, how you doing? I know you really can't see me, but I have a parrot. Alright, Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants a cracker. Here you go, buddy. Alright, thank you. Alright. Your mama has a fat ass. Your mama has a fat ass. You watch it. Don't you say anything. Alright, that's what I said to your mom last night. Okay, Polly, I'm gonna let you know this. If you say anything about my mother again, or anything about my friends, anything, alright, trans people are real. Trans people are real. Yes, they're real. Yes, trans people are 100% real, Polly. Alright, fuck you. Fuck you. Are you talking about me? Alright? Who else am I talking about, dumbass? Alright, who? Oh, Polly, shut up. Alright, fuck you. Fuck you. Alright, dickhead. Oh, that's it. Bam. Alright, you missed, you fuckface. Bam. You missed again, douchebag. Alright, hoo. Oh, what am I gonna do? William's mad. William's mad. Who? I'm not really smoking. It's fake. Yeah. 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 Sorry about that, but yeah. Alright, William Jackson's mad. William Jackson's mad. Alright, hoo. Shut up, Polly. Alright, shut up, Polly. Shut up, Polly. William's mad. William's mad. Alright, Selena Gomez is not his. Oh, that's it. You're dead, Polly. Now, how do you like that, Polly? Polly wants to say this. What? Fuck you.